Now here we have a video in which we have two paragraphs, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. We will try to read these two paragraphs and we will see which of the following two paragraphs makes a coherent paragraph. So in the earlier video we had seen some of the important pointers of a coherent paragraph, and now we will see two paragraphs and check which of the two is a coherent paragraph. In paragraph 1, we have the sentence excluding cooler highland regions in China, the climate at the Tropic of Cancer is generally hot and dry, except for easterly coastal areas where orographic rainfall can be very heavy. So the very first sentence, you get a feeling that okay, this kind of description is a generic description. It is quite likely to start a paragraph. Excluding cooler highland regions in China, the climate at the Tropic of Cancer is generally hot and dry, except for easterly coastal areas where orographic rainfall can be very heavy. Most regions on the Tropic of Cancer experiments two distinct seasons: an extremely hot summer with temperatures often reaching 45 degrees Celsius, and a warm winter with maxima around 22 degrees Celsius. Much land on or near the Tropic of Cancer is part of the Sahara Desert, so on and so forth. Now, reading this paragraph, I get a feeling that okay, this is about the land around the Tropic of Cancer. It first speaks about China and then about the maxima and the minima temperatures that might reach in that region, and then we have something about much of the land around the Tropic of Cancer, and therefore I think it forms a coherent paragraph because the topic of discussion is the land and the temperature around the Tropic of Cancer. So it forms a complete coherent paragraph. Let's come to paragraph 2. According to Plato, a particular clan would gather on the mountain to make a sacrifice every 9 years to Zeus, and a single morsel of human entrails would be intermingled with the animals'. Now, the very first problem that I have in this sentence is the part that you see in bold and italics, the mountain. Now, the reader gets a feeling that what mountain does exactly Plato have in mind or the writer have in mind? According to Plato, a particular clan would gather on the mountain. Now, this the mountain shows that the mountain must have been introduced. What kind of mountain? And therefore, it leaves a question mark in the minds of the reader. And you get a feeling that some critical information is missing from the paragraph. And therefore, it is not a coherent paragraph. Why? Because some information should have been there which describes what kind of mountain you are referring to. For example, you come and say that I saw the man, and people would say, fine, what kind of man do you have in mind? So you must describe the man. So this is all about coherent paragraph. We have seen two paragraphs. The first paragraph is the one that is coherent, and the second paragraph in which the article the mountain gives a sort of abruptness to it, and therefore the second paragraph is not a coherent paragraph.